everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make my Hawaiian style chicken drumsticks. I'm going to grill these on the grill today. It's very hot here in Michigan, so I think these are going to be really tasty and flavorful and give all the flavors of a warm environment such as Hawaii. So you just need some basic ingredients. You need some pineapple juice, and I have a half cup of that. You need a half cup of fresh squeezed orange juice. You'll need some salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, onion powder, garlic powder to season your chicken drumsticks. And you will need some red cider vinegar, and then of course some raw natural honey to give it that sweetness and that great, good, yummy ingredients that we need. So as you can see, I have this old Tupperware bowl that I use for all my marinades. You can use like a plastic baggie of sorts if you choose, but I have that all in here, and I'm gonna take my seasoning and season it, and then make my marinade with my freshly squeezed orange juice, pineapple juice, honey, and apple cider vinegar. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour that orange juice right on top. I'm gonna pour that pineapple juice on top and the apple cider vinegar to coat all of the chicken drumsticks. And then lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and add the honey and the seasoning. And like I said, I have onion powder, salt, pepper, onion, did I say onion? I said onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. The full recipe will be on my blog. You can go head over there. I'll link it below in the description. And if you don't make this today, you can go ahead and print the recipe out so you can make it in the future for your barbecues this summer. And then I'm gonna probably put about a half cup of this honey on top of the chicken. So the honey is on the chicken. I'm just basically spreading it to coat it. Usually raw honey is a little bit thicker than your traditional store-bought conventional honey. So I'm just kind of spreading it so I can get all of that sweetness and goodness on it to make it real sweet. And I'm using the pineapple juice and the orange juice to kind of help spread it. And then you can marinate this pretty much all day, but I would at least marinate it anywhere from 2 to 4 hours before you grill. The longer you grill, the better the flavors are going to be inside of the chicken. So I would definitely do that. And we will let this marinate in the fridge for most of the day, and then we'll come back and then I'll show you how I grill this on the grill. So we're gonna go ahead and preheat our grill, and we are gonna spray it with a little bit of water, give it a good cleaning, and then spray it with some olive oil so we can grill these drumsticks. Yum, yum. Now we're gonna spray it with the olive oil so nothing sticks to the grill. Ooh, it's warm. It's getting there. Okay, I think we're ready to get the chicken on the grill. So we're gonna go ahead and get that out of the Rubbermaid tub. It's been marinating all day in its special juices. So we have one chicken breast, not chicken breast, chicken drumsticks, sorry. Get those all on there. Now the marinade, I'm gonna boil that, and then I'm going to kind of put it on the chicken as it's cooking. You don't want to put it directly on there unless you do it in the beginning so it can cook off any of the, juices of the chicken, because you don't want raw chicken juice. You don't want to eat that, consume that raw. So you can boil it down and put it on, or just put it right on when you're grilling it on the grill. All right, so they're all on the grill, and we're gonna let these grill for about probably 5 to 7 minutes this side, and then we're gonna flip them and then baste them in the marinade again, and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes on the other side. So the chicken is pretty much done. We pulled some off. We put our special sauce on that you'll find on my blog, so make sure you check that out. It'll be in the description box below. And I'm gonna put some, oh yes, we gotta put some on here. So we're gonna put some on here. Do that real nice. This, I already turned off this side of the burner. I'm assuming these last 2 pieces of chicken drumettes are done, but we're gonna take my trusty timer here and test it and see. We want our chicken to be cooked with an internal temperature of 165. And this one's ready. We're gonna stick this guy over here. Let's see how this guy looks. And he's ready. All right, let's get the special sauce on there, pull these puppies off the grill, and we'll be ready to rock and roll for this wonderful chicken drumettes on the grill. So good. And like I said, the full recipe is over on the blog, so make sure you go to www.riggscreekfarmhouse.net to get the full recipe. You can print it, save it for later. You don't need to do it tonight. You're gonna love it. All right.